He's not taking his headphones. Yeah, probably. His Bluetooth connected to the wrong device.
Is there anything else you personally you would like to take the soul from your body? If I'm looking at she says sure, I'll go with that. This frame that you have me bound to, it doesn't allow me to have sight of my foot. My foot is just outside. Just pivot this frame so that I can have darshan, that I can have sight of my foot, as I have this opportunity to get this foot body to this. So, yeah, he's from you.
But your mum needs to follow us, and then you can get how many cookies are in the jar.
They're quite useful. They're quite useful for transport. Alright, no problem.
I don't think coming. We're gonna.
लाइन में लगो मैं You could do it. We'll win something.
What did you run with?
हर साल इतने remembrance होता
In February. February. Bro, I was watching Arsenal and then
Thank you for listening. Fruit of Coriander, written by
Team Coriander.
I had
Team not Coriander. I know somebody there with them.
courage and standing up.
Does it really taste like fairy liquid? Huh? So, anybody else thinks it tastes like fairy? What do you want? Like that there.
So that was, I said, no, I'm not. And then she said, £2. That's all right.
last 1, 2, 3.
And it's such a young age being able to Zafarnama. It's not hard to pronounce those loves. That's a really manky money.